Good morning, my dear students. Till now, we have come to know that the Tiger King already killed 70 tigers within 10 years. And after that, in the state of Patibandapuram, there is no tiger available to be hunted by the king. So, for that reason, the Tiger King called the Devan to find out the solution where the Tiger King wanted to fulfill his dream, his ambition. And the Tiger King asked Devan that there are 30 tigers left to be hunted by the Tiger King, and the Tiger King asked Devan whether he is not aware about the fact that there are remaining 30 tigers to be killed by the Maharaja. So, for that, with the discussion, the Tiger King and the Devan, we find some comic scene in the discussion where the Tiger King wanted to marry, and the Devan replies that Devan is not a tiger. So, whenever the Maharaja wanted to marry again, the Devan to think over the issue again and again. As because he means to the Tiger King that there is no need of a Tiger King queen, as because the Tiger King is enough for the state. So, my dear students, let us start today's class. Page number 13 of your text. The Maharaja gave a loud quake of laughter. I am not thinking of marrying either a tiger or a gun, but a girl from the ranks of human beings. First, you may draw up statistics of tiger populations in the different native states. Next, you may investigate if there is a girl I can marry in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. So, the Tiger King gave a loud laughing of the nonsense speaking of the Devan. After that, the Tiger King told the Devan that the Tiger King is not thinking of marrying either a tiger or a gun. But the Tiger King, that is the Maharaja, wanted to marry a girl from the human beings. For that, the Devan should draw up statistics of tiger population in the different native states of the Patibandhapuram. So after that, the Dewan should investigate if there is a girl that the Tiger King can marry in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population, so that the Tiger King can fulfill his dream. The Dewan followed his orders. The Dewan followed his orders. He found the right girl from a state which possessed a large number of tigers. So after that, the Dewan followed the orders of the Maharaja, and he found out the right girl from a state, from a native state of Patibandhapuram, which possessed a large number of tigers. So in that state, the Maharaja married a girl from the royal family. The Maharaja Jungjung Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. In this manner, 99 tiger skins adorned the walls of the reception hall in the Patibandhapuram palace. So, Maharaja Jungjung Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers whenever he visited the place of his state of his father-in-law. So in this manner, in this way, the Maharaja killed 99 tiger, and the tiger skins were adorned the walls of the reception hall of the Patibandhapuram palace. So the skins of 99 tigers were pasted on the wall of the place, on the wall of the palace of Patibandhapuram state. Next, you see, my dear students, the Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to achieve his tally of 100. He had this one thought during the day and the same dream at night. By this time, the tiger farms had run dry even in his father-in-law's kingdom. It became impossible to locate tigers anywhere, yet only one more was needed. If he could kill just that one single beast, the Maharaja would have no fears left. He could give up tiger hunting altogether. You see, whenever the Maharaja killed 99 tigers, so his anxiety reached a fever pitch when just there remained one tiger to be achieved by the Tiger King to achieve his tally of 100 tiger. And the Maharaja had this thought during the daytime and same dream at night time. That means that Maharaja was thinking and thinking for the last one tiger to be killed by the. This time the tiger farms also, by that time the tiger's farms also had run dry even in his father-in-law's kingdom. So whenever the Maharaja killed 99 tigers, after that the tiger farm was already become empty, even not in the state of Patibandhapuram, but in the state of his father-in-law's palace, father-in-law's kingdom. So it becomes impossible to look at tigers anywhere. There is no tiger, there is no one tiger left in the state of Patibandapuram or in the forest of the Maharaja's father-in-law's kingdom. Yet only one more was needed, because yet though one tiger is needed to achieve the goal, achieve the tally of the Tiger King, but there is no one tiger is left in the both states, the state of Patibandapuram and in the state of his father-in-law. And the Maharaja, if he could kill just one tiger, then he would have no fears left, because the astrologer told him that the 99 tiger the Maharaja can kill, but the 101 tiger will take revenge upon the Maharaja. The 101 tiger will kill the Maharaja, will kill the Junjun Bahadur. And the Maharaja was also thinking that if he could able to complete his dream to kill 101 tiger, after that he will leave the tiger hunting altogether forever. Next paragraph is see, my dear students. But he had to extremely careful with that last what had the late chief astrologer said. So whenever the Tiger King, the Maharaja, tried to kill the last one tiger, at the time the Maharaja should have to be very much careful, as because the Maharaja can remember what the astrologer said. What the astrologer said? Even after killing 99 tigers, the Maharaja should beware of the 100. So even the Maharaja can kill 99 tigers, but the Maharaja should be beware about killing of the 101 tigers. 100 tigers. True enough. It is true enough, because the last tiger, the 100 tiger is not available in the state. The tiger was a savage beast after all. One had to be wary of it. So the tiger is not a simple beast. Tiger is not a simple animal, but it was a savage beast. It was a savage animal. Everybody should have to be very much careful about the tiger. One had to be worry of it. One had to be fear of it, of the tiger. But where was the 100 tiger to be found? It seemed easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. So it seems easier to find tiger's milk. It's a joke that it seems easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. So people can find out the tiger's milk, but they cannot find out a living tiger. Thus the Maharaja was sunk in gloom. So in this way the Maharaja was sunk in gloom. He was very much sad that there is no tiger living, because he has to just kill one more tiger to fulfill his dream, to make the astrologer false. But soon came the happy news which dispelled that gloom. In his own state, she began to disappear frequently from a hillside village. So after that, a happy news comes to the Maharaja that the sheep the sheep began to disappear frequently from a hillside. So from the hillside, the sheep are being disappeared from the hillside. It seems to be, it seems that there may be the living tiger is available, because for that only the sheep are becoming disappear frequently from the hillside. It was fast ascertained that this was this was not the work of Khadar Milan Sahib or Biryaswamy Nekar, both famed for their ability to shallow sheep hole. So it was not ascertained that this was not the work of a or Biryaswamy Nekar. These two names, both famed, these both were famed for their ability to shallow sheep hole. Surely a tiger was at that means Kedar Mian and Kadar Mian Sahib or Viraswamy Nikar, both were very much famous, having their ability to swallow the whole ship, to swallow, to take the whole ship, to eat the whole ship. Surely a tiger was at work, because Kadar Mian Sahib or Viraswamy Nikar may take one tiger a day, but it's not possible to for them to take the whole ship together. So it is sure that a tiger was at work. It is sure that it is the tiger who is who is hunting the sheep, not the Kadar Mian Sahib or Biryaswamy Nikar, as though uh, though both are famous for their ability of having one tiger a day. The villagers ran. The villagers ran to inform the Maharaja. The Maharaja announced a 3-year exemption from all taxes for that village and set out on the hunt at once. So whenever this news comes to the Maharaja from the villagers, at that moment the Maharaja announced a 3-year exemption from all the taxes from that village where the sheep are disappearing. So after that, the Maharaja started his hunting. The tiger was not easily found. You see, the tiger was not easily found. It was not easily to be found by the tiger. It seemed as if it had wantonly hid himself in order to thwart Maharaja's will. So it seems that the tiger, 100 tiger, willingly hid himself in order to flout the Maharaja's will. The Maharaja was easily determined. The Maharaja was equally determined. He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found. As the days passed, the Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly. Many officers lost their jobs. So the Maharaja was ascertained to, he was determined to hunt the last one tiger, and he refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found. As the days passed, the Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly. Many officers lost their jobs also, because the Maharaja was in the forest to fulfill his dream to kill the last tiger, the 100th number tiger. One day, when his race was at its height, the Maharaja called the Dewan and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith. So one day, when his race was at its height, the Maharaja called the Dewan and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith. So one day, when his race was at its height, the Maharaja called the Dewan and ordered him to double the land tax at that time to the villagers, who informed him that there exists a tiger. So whenever the Maharaja would not be able to find out the 100 tiger. At that time, the Maharaja called the Devan to do double the text of the villagers, who informed the king that there exists a tiger in the forest, as because the sheep were disappearing day by day. So this is all for today, my dear student. Please go through the paragraphs I have taught you. In your next class, we will discuss the later portion of this short story. Thanking you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Stay at home. Stay safe.